When we put up our video about offline classes, actually we got many requests about our online classes. So this is a quick video about the announcement relating to our online classes. Right now we have the company accounts old syllabus, the company law new syllabus and company law old syllabus available for online classes. Other subjects are being recorded. It is available in 3 months and 6 months duration. Whichever is comfortable for you, it has been priced very competitively to help you so that you can choose 6 months or 3 months validity. The modes of the classes are online option, pen drive option and even Android option. So even if you don't have laptop or desktop, on your mobile phone also you can watch it, and that is the advantage you're going to get with Ekcel Academy online classes. Next question everybody asks is how many views? Some online classes will have limited views, but our online classes is unlimited views. You can watch the same video multiple times till you understand. Before you buy, please see the demo class. The links of the demo classes are in the description box below. Only after you watch that and then you're comfortable, then you can start buying. We have got very good response from our online students and they have given us very good testimonials about their experience about the classes. In the description box below, there are also a couple of students' testimonials which is there so that you will understand what is the experience of the student who has already taken our online classes. The best thing about this course is it is designed for online viewers only. We have not recorded a classroom. Basically, the way the classes is, it is designed for one-to-one learning, where I, the teacher, will be teaching you the student one-to-one, and that is the benefit which you are going to get. If you still have doubts, we have our numbers in the description box below. You can call and find out all the doubts which you want. So if you are writing the December 2018 exam, I would invite you to buy our online course and then experience the best education which will help you to pass the CS exam. That's all for this update. For more videos on Company Secretary course, please do subscribe to Ekcel Academy, your one-stop solution for Company Secretary course.